asante kwa Mungu wangu, nasema asante kwa wema wako, kwa maana fadhili zako zadumu milele na milele. Amina. So for the last time then I'll explain. Nasema asante kwa Mungu wangu, nasema asante wema wako, zako zadumu milele na milele. Amina. So let me now explain. Okay, we are in the key of F sharp. This one, that is the numbering system. So 1 is F sharp, 2 is G sharp, 3 is A sharp, 4 is B, 5 is C sharp, 6 is D sharp, 7 is F, and 8 is F sharp. So that's the scale. So the scale is just the do re mi, the diatonic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in also you can play it like this. This is the numbering system in tritones. It's also in my numbering system. So the song, we started the song from, I'm going to explain everything that I was playing it. So the song starts from here. Nasema asante. You go to 3. Kwa Mungu wangu, nasema asante. So like that. So the song starts from 1. This is 1. 1 is this side. I'm playing one fast inversion. This is routine version, fast inversion. Then this side I'm just playing F sharp, F sharp. So this is 1. This is A sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. So this is F sharp fast inversion. I also have inversions on my other videos. You can watch them, and so that when even if I talk about the fast inversion, you can easily know. So this fast inversion. So nasema asante 3. So 3 is A sharp, F. This is F, A sharp, and C sharp. So nasema asante. Then kwa Mungu wangu, this is 2. Mungu wangu. So 2, how did I play 2? 2 is this side is G sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. This side is G sharp, B, and D sharp. So nasema asante kwa Mungu wangu. 5, that is 5. So 5, C sharp, C sharp. You can just play C sharp, C sharp. Maybe you can add that G sharp. This side is just the same, the normal 5. F sharp, no, C sharp, F, and G sharp. So nasema asante kwa Mungu wangu, nasema asante. 3, this is the but still 3, but another inversion. Kwa wema wako. Then 6, kwa maana fadhili. So I start from 6. Kwa maana. So what is 6? 6 is D sharp, D sharp. In our scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just count the scale, the do re mi fa sol la ti do. So the 6 number 6 is here. How do you play 6? I'm playing 6 which inversion? This is a fast inversion. I'm playing fast inversion. I like using the fast inversion. So kwa maana, this one is F sharp, it's A sharp. Sorry, this is A sharp, this is D sharp, and this is F sharp. So kwa maana fadhili 3, 2, then you go to 2. Zako zadumu. This is 1/3. Milele 2, milele. Amina. Okay, let me now play it. The verse is just the same. Nitaimba sifa zako mbele ya watu wote. The chorus, let me play the verse. Nitaimba sifa zako mbele ya watu wote. Nitaimba sifa zako mbele ya watu wote. Kama nafadhili gonna explain there. Okay, what I was playing, same chorus. The chorus that's the same as the verse. Nitaimba sifa zako mbele ya watu wote, nitaimba sifa zako mbele ya mataifa. 6 kwa maana fadhili, no sorry, kama na fadhili 3 zako za dumu. So you can also use 4 instead of 2. You can use 4, then when you're coming back you use 2 like this. Kwa maana fadhili 3, then you go to 4 zako za dumu 1/3, then you go to 2 milele na